bird's eye view.
Hip hop, so many things you could say about it. You feel me? Like, on the real, like, hip hop is just beautiful. Hip hop is life.
From the first time I saw you, infatuation pulled to the side to provide conversation. Wild reputation, but you were so cool. Any old fool knew that you was a Jew. Ghetto to ghetto, your influence settled. More hardcore than R&B, but not metal. Blacker than a kettle, you made me feel mellow. Introduction of my life, I said hello. Meet me in a minute, cause I gotta finish school. Some of my homies, they never finished puffin' rules. Staying up late, always studying the tapes. The more I watched you fell in love, I guess fate had a grip on my mind state. I wanna rhyme, wait, I fell in line, getting signed at the wrong gates. Until my heart breaks, the first for real. But I would still be loving you, cause deep is what I feel.
I got a bird's eye view.
I'll be with you, I'll be there with you, I'll be with you, I'll be there with you.
I got a bird's eye view.
I'll be with you, I'll be there with you, I'll be with you, I'll be there with you. She's the one I always count on, one that wouldn't leave me. One that's in the city, always written in graffiti. One that keeps me company when I'm all alone. She's my heart, my mind, my spirit and my bones. She's the only one I know that would go across the globe. Meet me in a foreign land, treat me like I'm home. Everything I own, give to her, she deserves it. Treat me like a king, every syllable is perfect. Search to the earth for a reason just to be here. And since I met her, every moment's like a leap year. Baby, you can sleep here, you can stay with me. Anywhere you go, know I'm probably gonna be full of energy, and you never acting tired. You everything I need when I pray, God supply. You my chunky fire, blessings you provide. Always in my life to the day that I die.
I got a bird's eye view.